Now the question says that the ratio of Mike's cards to Jim's cards to Joseph's cards is 6:5:4. So we draw the model as such: Mike having 6 uniques, Jim 5 uniques, and Joseph 4 uniques at first. And then the question says Mike gives Jim 60, and Jim gives Joseph 40, and Joseph gives Mike 20. The ratio became 16:13. To solve this problem, firstly we can do a summary for each person. Alright, firstly Mike gives 60 to Joseph. Sorry, Mike gives 60 to Jim. Mike receives 20 from Joseph. So Mike, in conclusion, gives away 40. And then for Jim gives 40 to Joseph. Jim receives 60 from Mike. So Jim receives 20 in conclusions. And then for Joseph gives away 20 to Mike. Joseph receives 40 from Jim. So at the end of the day, Joseph still receives 20. So from here, it's quite obvious that by taking the model of Mike, alright, and then we give Jim and Joseph each 20, that will equate to the ratio of 16:13. Same conditions. Alright. So in order to take some we know that actually in the end, okay, Mike and Jim's model are the same because their ratio is 16:16. So we can only take the difference between Mike and Jim now, which is the 1 unit, and cut it into 3 parts. Alright, we cut it into 3 parts as such. Once we cut it into 3 parts, we know that 1 part is 20 because he gave away 1 part to Jim, 1 part to Joseph, which is 20 to each. Alright, so now we know that 1 part is 20, and we convert all the units to parts. Okay, since we cut 1 unit into 3 parts, that means 1 unit is equal to 3 parts. So we put it down in a model here. Mike have 16 parts, Jim has 16 parts, and Joseph have 13 parts. Okay, and 1 part is equal to 20. Alright, so question is, how many cards do the boys have altogether? You can tell very obviously, end of the day, they had altogether 45 parts. So we take 45 multiplied by 20, that gives us 900. So they had 900 cards altogether. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.